This is my version of having my belt sander attached so I can use wood. It became simple, nothing building. I had the existing platform, which is actually a router platform. I put it on its side, it fit wonderfully. I had one C-clamp on here and it worked perfect. It holds it very, very steady. So on the working side, you can see that it's perfectly lined up. It just sits there. I've got my wood pieces that I've been working on, and I'll just show you now a run video of what I'm going to be doing working on it. This little table has a switch down in the corner, so I've actually put a twist, not a twist tie, but a zip tie on my switch, so I don't have to turn it on and off. I just turn the switch on and off on the table. And this is going to be how simple this is going to work out. I'm just sanding these small blocks, and they've got some imperfections in them. So we're just going to go through all the various blocks. These ones are already done, and you can see that, let's say on this one here, it just needs to have a little bit of sanding done on this side. So here I flip on my switch. Belt sander, table, clamp, perfect.